Welcome to DIY Skate Park, where we are today going to make some skateboard wax. Now, this is relatively easy to do, and it takes almost no effort at all, so this will be pretty easy. And you just got to take one of these kinds of mini candles, pop it out like this. So now you have this, throw it away. You want to take the candle out like this. So you put your fingernail under this and then just kind of pull it out. And then now you're going to cover up the hole. You don't have to do this last step. You can just kind of put it like that. But I prefer to cover up the hole. And now that there's no hole in there, you are basically done to rub stuff on. So take this handrail we're going to make in the next episode and just grease it on there. And now it is much easier to do it. By to do it, I mean to slide.